morning. Good morning world. Good morning Philippines. So, early in the morning, lumalis kami kasi we're heading to Digos, Kapatagan. And right now, saan na ba tayo? This is our guide driver, Kuya Alex, the Pogi. And ito kami, Pipinsan, that's Ate Esther, Vicky, Ate Bing, and Virgie and Priam, yung apo din nakita. And of course, Nongki, the doggy.
Present your face, Nongki.
Doggy, Nongki.
Kasi no.
Okay. Hopefully hindi siya uulan kasi para ma-enjoy namin yung trip namin. Ano na ba itong ano na to?
Buwan.
Ang place?
Buwan.
Nanami sa Buan, Matina.
Turil.
Buwan.
Buan, Turil.
Buwan, opposite.
So how many hours from here going to
1 hour
Digos?
45 minutes.
1 hour and 45 minutes. Makakarating na kami sa aming destination.
Camp Sabros. First stop natin.
First stop is Camp Sabros. So guys, see you later and hopefully hindi siya uulan at hindi masyadong mainit. So our trip to Digos and Kapatagan. Thank you. Happy morning to all.
Panalo. Galing mo.